Alright, so your boy, look, we got that orange on. Don't get mad. This is what we went with. It ain't the bright orange, but it's alright. It'll work. So this is how it's looking right now. Boom, boom, boom. Looking good. All good. Oh yeah, baby. It's only the first coat though, so I actually need to get another can because I kind of want it brighter. I want it to hit. You know what I'm saying? So, and then that's the parts right here. Here's the fairings. So we got to get those cleaned up and everything like that, sand down, and we're gonna get those painted too. So yeah. But right now, while this is drying out, I'm gonna let this part dry out real quick, and then I'm gonna put the shock back on there. And then when I go get the other the painted can, I'm gonna take those two shocks off on the front, and then have it sitting up on something. But like right now, you know what I'm saying, like it's good like it is right now. We're gonna let it dry. They all over there enjoying all the toys and stuff like that. Oh, we got all the toys over there. I didn't want to paint, you know what I'm saying? All over everything. It's already enough. I got probably some, yeah I do. I got some orange over that. Let me see. I got some orange over that a little bit. You know what? It's not even a lot. It's like, just get a little rag. Like, that's good right there. But get a little rag and wipe it down. It should be gone. But, yeah. This is how it's looking right now. Cardboard came in handy, so that way we can have everything on the floor. Because I almost definitely was painting towards the floor and stuff like that. But it's not hard to get off or nothing like that. So, but this makes it hella easy to do whatever I want to do. And, you know what I'm saying? Just throw this cardboard out. Not have a mess. So, yeah. But I'm going to show you guys what's going to happen with this. So, if you want to see, check this out. Oh, it's still the same. That's because I didn't do anything yet. But in the next video, I want you guys to stay tuned because in the next video, you're going to see me probably spraying the body and everything. I don't know. I don't know, you know. Kind of want to do it in parts, but at the same time, if I can't put everything together, I'll put everything together. So, you know, you can chop, slash, paste, whatever it is. But, yeah, if we was going to continue, you'd be like, okay, well, for instance, we got this painted, now on to the fairing. And now the fairing, time to get painted. Ooh.